So what's the title of your new album?
The title is Strata.
And what does that mean?
Well, it comes from the overall concept of this new album, which was really came from me wanting to bring together a collection of songs that I've been singing for years or grew up listening to. And a lot of those songs I got from singers that I was around at lots of different festivals as a younger singer. So I guess it's about drawing from all those influences into the one place, but giving the songs new arrangements.
And where did you record it?
It was all recorded in the Warm Studio in Glasgow.
Did you spend much time recording it?
We actually went into the studio right after Celtic Connections last year, and we spent a week, and I guess it was a faster process, this album, than other ones I worked on, so we decided to try and record the tracks as live as possible. So I've used a lot of musicians that I'm working with in a live gig situation anyway, and so we went into the studio and would play and sing the songs together as much as we could.
What are the plans for the album? We've got many tours coming up.
Well, we're on tour just now, launching it. We started off in the Queen's Hall with a full band, which was really exciting, and now we're on the road for 2 weeks all over the UK, and following that we're off to Germany for 2 weeks.
Thanks so much, Siobhan.
Thank you.